never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
So yes, I am still in the UK. It's been a few days past now since we laid my grandmother to rest, so I've had a bit of time to just chill out a little bit. Yeah, I'm looking forward to coming back home next week. Really looking forward to it. Yeah, so I'm just chilling at home. I'm going out later. My sister has her own business that she's been running successfully for quite a few months now. She has her official launch today, so I'll go to the launch party today. I'm looking forward to that. But guys, there's certain things that, you know, I can't leave behind. So this is one of them. Let me show you. So even though I'm in the UK, guys, I'm just cooking for one. Little white rice, steaming, and oh gosh, it's a little mackerel. That's a little tin mackerel. Yeah. This is my dinner for today. Guys, I've been here for over a week. I've been here for about a week and a half now. It's the first time I've cooked or even turned on the stove. First time I've even turned on the stove. Because I've not been here really. Yeah, it's a little white rice. A little mackerel. That's me for today. Dinner for one.
Are you getting that? Yeah! Thank you for my friends and who support me and my family. She is the best business partner I could ever have. She's literally the yin to my yang. Everything that I can't do, she can do. Yeah, I know. No, but still, everything that I can't do, you literally can do. She's so creative, she's so amazing, she's got great ideas. If it wasn't for her, 112 wouldn't be where it is right now. So, thank you, G. Yeah, thank you everyone. Literally everyone who's here, you either have had a part in 112 or you're going to have a part in 112. G?
I just think, thank you. It's been a year since me and Hannah met and went for a coffee and we're like, let's just do this. So thank you so much, everyone who's here. It means a lot to us.
Yeah, that's the thing. You see how today is the first of the 12th, yeah? The first of the 12th. That's the day me and G sat down and had coffee and was like, listen, let's do this thing because do you know what? The industry don't do it, but we will do it. That's so 112 was the day that we sat down and had coffee and was like, let's do it. The first of the 12th today and our agency was So yeah, please people stop acting foolish, yeah? Alright, we're in the art gallery, I hear you. We can break out now, can we break out now? I hear you, but we turn the lights down, we try to do everything we can for you to just have a good time. Yeah. So, drink the drink because it's free. Thank you, Sugar's Legal. Yeah. there's lots of drinks. Drink it and get F up. And then also, let's dance and have a good time.
Yeah.
On the invitation, we lied about the finish time. And we know that people don't like to come to places on time. So we lied, we finished at 12 o'clock.
So I have 5 more days. 5 more days. Not that I'm counting or anything until I go back home to Jamaica. 5 more days, but I'm not counting. Yeah, so I've just been, I'm in England, but I've just been so busy. Like, I think I've had 1 day, like, of doing nothing. I've been so busy between my grandma's funeral and then my sister's launch party, and it's my niece's birthday party today, which I'm about to go to, and then other little bits and pieces in between. I've just been so busy, but yeah, getting ready to go back home. I really want to send a barrel or 2. I've got 5 days. I really don't know if it's going to happen. I haven't even got a barrel, so I don't know. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. If I can find time for it to happen, I'm going to make it happen in 5 days. Get a barrel, pack a barrel, send a barrel. If I do, I'll take you along that journey with me, but let's see, guys, let's see. But anyway, that's it. I'm going to go and have some fun with the kids now.
If you, yeah, you can try. Yeah. So this is the display done. How beautiful is this though? Look at this. For my niece. Yeah. So guys, this is done by Love to Party Balloons. Yeah. So this is, you guys met my friend already.
Who's that?
They've met you already.
Let me see.
There's nobody there, it's just you.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Yeah, look.
Oh.
It's a video. Come on, you got to introduce yourself. Oh, it's right there. So yes guys, as I was saying, this lovely display has been done by my friend over there. She owns a company that does this called Love to, what's it called? Love to Party Balloons. What's it called, Marlene? Love to Party Balloons. Love to Party Balloons. So, yeah, Love to Party Balloons, and she's responsible for this. So if you've got not just kids parties, adult parties, weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, any special events. And guys, I'm gonna link her Instagram in the video, in the description. How nice is that? Yeah. Hey guys, so the time has come for me to travel. I'm going back to Amsterdam. I'm going to spend the night in Amsterdam and then I'm going off to Jamaica. So yes, yeah, I can't wait. So I'm about to go through security. You know when you've got to separate all your liquid. Got to do all of this palaver. I always end up having like 2-3 bags. Like some people just have one little bag, not me. I haven't even finished yet. Take that stuff from here, take that stuff from here, take that stuff from here. Yes guys, I'm going back home. Yay!
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.